friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And today we are making hairpins with UV resin. So I wanted to do something that sort of like made me think about like Starry Night, because I love that and I love that color combination. So that's what I did with these. So these are the hairpins, and I'll get them closer for you. But these hairpins, so you can see they come in like this square backing. So this comes with like an open pod kind of thing that you can fill in. And these I picked up at Michael's. You can get these on Amazon, Hobby Lobby, AliExpress, all kinds of places. So super cute idea, and you can do whatever you want in them, and it's really cute. And then I took the extra resin that I had and then made a pop socket out of it, and this turned out so pretty. Reminds me of like also like a peacock feather. So let me just show you. And look how pretty these turned out. I was going to do a chalkboard sign today, but last night I realized that it needed one more layer of chalkboard paint in it, so I'll do it tomorrow. Look how pretty these turned out. And they're super cute, just little clips. And this is what I mean by like the back pan piece. You can see they're pretty thin, but this is super nice. And you can make these, you know, whatever that you want, you know? Super pretty. Sorry, it just does not want to focus for whatever reason. Focus. So these turned out so pretty. And then here is the pop socket, and I just, you know, I had extras, so I just threw it in, and I love it because it looks, you know, like it's like, you know, different layers, but it's actually, you know, it's actually one flat piece, but it turned out super pretty. I love it. So I hope you guys like it. I hope that it was helpful. I hope that you have a blessed and beautiful day. I'm heading out to work, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. All right, so here are my empty pans for my hair clips. And I'm going to use this little paint container. These are my different mica powders. So I've had these for a very long time. I got them on Amazon. Again, you can get mica powders all over the place. So many different places. Amazon's got so many choices. And then this is my Resin Rockers hard type resin. I love this stuff. I can't say it enough. It gets super hard, just like epoxy. So I'm just going to put a little bit of color in each one and use my toothpick and just stir everything up really, really good. So just add all my different colors. And these are like a chameleon type of color, so it gives a really cool sparkle, which I thought would be really nice for this project. And, you know, for me, I wanted like a starry night type of vibe with these. But of course, you can do anything you want. Like, these are so cool. And if you have, you know, little kids, you can, make these for like their favorite characters, so many things. So I'm just going to add the resin in the pans in layers. So I'm going to do 3 different layers of the color. And then at the end, I'm going to put a nice coat of just regular epoxy on top. So the first 2 layers, as I put the UV resin in the different colors, I'm just going to kind of move them around and let them mix. I don't want to use my toothpick to mix them because I don't want them to be stirred or too mixed. I want like just a gentle, oh my goodness, I can't speak. Just a very gentle, natural look with them. And then I put them under for 4 minutes each time. And then, so now I'm going to go in and do the second layer. And the first 2 layers, I'm doing the more dark colors. And then on the third layer, I'm going to go in and add the red and the gold because I want that to kind of stand out a little bit more. So same thing, and then I'm going to put them under, move my resin out of the way. Anytime you're using UV resin, you don't want to get it around your light or let it sit out in the sunlight because it will cure it and then you'll waste it. So now I'm going to come back and I'm going to turn off my light, and then now I'm going to go in and add that red and that gold to it. And those are my lighter colors and I want them to stand out. So then after I get that, then I'll go in and add some more blue. And I do end up with quite a bit of UV resin left over. And so I am going to make a pop socket out of this. And that pop socket turned out super, super cute. You saw that in the beginning of the video. I didn't, show making it because it was just an afterthought, but it really did turn out nice. Now on this last one, when I put each one in, I do hold it underneath there because I don't want it to run. I want it to, to cure quickly in its set place. And then afterwards, then I'll set it down. And so now I'm just going to put the top on both of them and give it a nice domed clear top. Get the bubbles out with my lighter. And that's it. Like, these were so easy and simple, and they really turned out beautiful. I hope you like them, and I hope you guys have a super blessed and beautiful day. Here, just doing the second one, but yeah, so this is it. Super easy. Now I'm going to end this video with the night sky from last night. It was incredible. I've not seen anything like it. It was so pretty and just different that I took some video and added it if you'd like to see it. Have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye.